Hello, let's walk through how to get started on Ramp as a manager. You'll get an invite from Ramp via email. Click on Accept Invite to create your account. Once you log in, you will land on your home page. This is your task list. All items that require approval, whether they are transactions, reimbursements, funds, requests, bills, or more, will all appear here. You will also find your own transactions that need your attention here. Managers and approvers can quickly toggle between all their tasks and their own expenses by using the quick tabs on the top. You can also review approvals through the Inbox tab for a consolidated view of pending items. On the right-hand side, you'll be able to view credit cards issued to you. Select your card to reveal full card details. Use the copy boxes to grab your card number, expiration date, CVV code, or billing address when making virtual purchases. When you click into the Actions button on the top right, you have options to manage and protect your card. Depending on how your company sets up their policies, you may need to submit receipts, memos, and code your card transactions and reimbursement requests. As a manager, you have the ability to submit items on behalf of the team members. You can complete all required fields such as receipts, memos, or coding to keep expenses compliant. If a transaction is missing a receipt, memo, or accounting code, you'll be prompted to fill it in. Let's click into a transaction for a more detailed view of an expense. If you need to upload a receipt, you can click to upload here, or you can drag and drop. You can also submit receipts via text, the Ramp app, and via email. You can fill out your memo here and use the drop-down or the text field to fill out any accounting codes that are required. Submit your policy requirements with ease on Ramp. As a manager on Ramp, you are able to invite users to your team through the Team tab. This is where you can also see everyone that will be reporting to you and can edit their profile as needed. To invite a new team member, click on Invite on the top right corner. Enter in the employee's email address, select their manager, location, and department. Then select their role on Ramp, and if they have a team reporting to them, toggle on Will they manage others. Lastly, click on Send Invite on the bottom right to issue the invite. To edit a user, click on the user's name and then Edit Profile on the top right. Here, you can change a user's department, location, manager, and their role in Ramp. You can also lock all of their cards, deactivate their account, or permanently terminate their account in this window. As a manager, you can request additional cards as needed for yourself or for your team. Click on Requests and select your card type. Under Who will be the owner, select either yourself or the team member you are requesting the card on behalf of. Enter the label for the card, limit, and a description of why you are requesting this card. Click on Request on the bottom right to request the card. All requests for cards and reimbursements will show up in your homepage and will be issued after approval. If your company has enabled reimbursement submissions via Ramp, you can request reimbursement requests for yourself or for your team members for any out-of-pocket spend or a mileage reimbursement by clicking on Request Reimbursement. An out-of-pocket reimbursement is when you've used your personal credit card or cash for a work-related expense and your employer pays you back. A mileage reimbursement is when you've used your personal vehicle for business-related travel and your employer pays you back for gas. Reimbursements are typically paid via direct deposit, so you will be prompted to add your bank account in order to receive the ACH payment. To add your bank account, click on your initials on the top right and then Settings and then Banking here. You can add your personal bank account details by clicking here. Let's submit a reimbursement request together. Once you click on Request Reimbursement, you may be asked your place of residence to ensure compliance with local laws and accurate processing. After you provide that information, you will be able to select what type of reimbursement request you are looking to submit. For an out-of-pocket reimbursement request, you will be prompted to upload a receipt, or you can select no receipt. You can drag and drop a receipt to autofill merchant, amount, and date, or enter manually if needed. Complete the memo and accounting fields before submitting. You can delete your request or submit it. Otherwise, it'll save as a draft until you are ready to submit it. Let's submit a mileage reimbursement for gas now. Go back to your home page and click on Request Reimbursement. This time you're going to click on New Mileage. Here you will enter your start and end location and add any stops if needed. Ramp calculates distance and applies the IRS rate automatically. Submit your request once all details have been filled out. Now you are ready to start using your Ramp card to make your first transaction. Thanks for watching.